Mohammed Kaman, born 1978, is a citizen of Afghanistan who was held in the United States Guantanamo Bay detention camps in Cuba. The Joint Task Force Guantanamo estimate that Kaman was born in 1978. He was transferred to the United Arab Emirates on August 15, 2016. Charges before a Guantanamo Military Commission. On March 11, 2008, the Office of Military Commissions announced that Mohammed Kaman would face charges. On March 12, 2008, Kaman was charged with a single count of providing material support to terrorism. Quote, "This charge made Kaman unique among the other prisoners at Guantanamo Bay because it alone is not a war crime, and thus is probably not triable before a military commission." On May 21, he refused to exit his cell to attend his arraignment. He was physically manacled and dragged into court nonetheless, where he stated that he had no connection to Al-Qaeda or the Taliban. Kaman continued to refuse to attend his trial as late as June 2008. On July 15, 2009, military prosecutors asked the commission to allow them to continue their case against Kaman until September 2009. The commission granted this request. Kaman continued to boycott proceedings against him, including a pre-trial hearing in November 2009. All charges were withdrawn and dismissed on December 8, 2009. Had he been convicted, he could have faced life in prison. Transfer to the United Arab Emirates. Kaman was transferred to the United Arab Emirates with 14 other individuals. 12 of the men were Yemenis. Obaidullah. See also, boycott of Guantanamo military commissions. Who are the remaining prisoners in Guantanamo? Part 8. Captured in Afghanistan. 2002-207. Andy Worthington. Human Rights First blog. Military commissions. Human Rights First. The case of Mohammed Kaman.